Now we'll see another basic function of SocialBit. How to create a new channel. It is possible to create a new channel by pushing on the plus button after the channel list here. When we will push this button, we will create a new channel called new channel. We can go inside that channel by pushing the name of the channel, and then we will start seeing only the news in Australia. We will see later how to change the setup of the channel in order to see different stuff. But for now, let's just see how to rename it. In order to rename it, we need to go with our mouse, with our arrow, near the name of the channel, and we will see three dots comparing after the name of the channel. By pushing these three dots, we will open another menu, and here we can change the name of the channel. Let's call this channel Golf, and let's save the name. Okay, now we only changed the name, but we didn't change any of the setup of the channel. Now I will show just very fast how to do it, then we will have a separate video explaining everything. Let's select sport. Let's select all the news talking about golf. So we have created a new channel. It is possible to delete a channel, as we saw for the dashboard, just by going back to the menu of where we changed the name of the channel, and by clicking the button delete. In this way, we will remove the channel Golf from our dashboard, like this.